If a person, he has no capability to look into evidences, and he reads up the fatāwā of the ulama, and he chooses what? How will he know which is stronger if he has no capability? The most difficult, or the most strongest? How will he know which is stronger? Feels, no. There's no feeling. I feel today this is strong. I feel today I am hot. I feel today, the feeling changes. No feeling in the religion of Allah. A person who has no capability to look into evidences, how will he look into the evidence, the fatāwā of the ulama, and he says this is stronger? If he says that this is stronger, it means that he knows how to look into evidences. If he does not know, it means that he cannot say this is stronger than the other, this is weaker than the other. This is firstly. Secondly, as mentioned in the last lesson, it is wrong for a person who does not comprehend looking into evidences and such to look into fatwas of the ulama and then say this fatwa is exactly for my situation. He has no capability to do that. He has no capability to do that. This fatwa is exactly what is happening in my place, in my situation. He has no capability. He has no capability to do so. This, what I have read from Sheikh Ubaid, is exactly what is going on here with me and my Singapore brothers and sisters. No, you have no capability to do so. What is upon you is easy. Go and ask. Ask. Get the answer, act upon it. That is the easiest thing for you to do. You have no capability. Nowadays, the thing is that everyone thinks he is capable. Everyone thinks he is capable to look at this evidence. Everyone thinks that he is capable to look at this fatwa and then to act upon the fatwa in his place, saying that it is exactly the same and so on. Everyone wants to become one knowledgeable. And when we look, never study, never memorize anything, never went to a scholar before. Even in his local classes, he never attend before. So, upon what knowledge is he going to choose? He is choosing with what? Ignorance. He is choosing with ignorance. And the result of choosing with ignorance is what? Destruction. And as how you say just now, feels. Today I feel this is stronger. What do we have with your feeling? You and your feeling, go inside your house, stay in your room. Don't make it difficult for us all. Understand? This is feeling, no what? We have no relation to your feeling whatsoever. And then what we want is what the scholars say. What the scholars say, what the scholars had determined, what the scholars had taught. This is what we want. Feelings, even my feeling, push it aside. We're not saying that your feelings only we will push aside. Everyone's feeling we will push aside. Understand? Fine. The way for an ignorant person is to go and ask. Ask. You are ignorant. Accept the fact. Why is it so difficult? Why so difficult? Understand? Why is it so difficult to say you are ignorant? I don't understand. I ask. It must be, I know this, I understand this. Understand? Barakallahu fikum. Can? We have reached the limit for the time. Sallallahu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.